Hey y'all, what's up? It's TayBrice and I'm back with a video. It's been a very long time, but today's a special day because I am going to get my hair done at a salon for the first time. So I'm really excited about that, and I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you guys. Oh, let me roll up the window. Y'all might not hear me. I just want to record it and share the moment with you guys because this is going to be different. This will be my first salon experience with a Loctitian. Oh, that's fancy.
It's just it's like sea breeze.
It smells good.
Church. And the phone lines are already jumping, so let's get right to it. Blessings, no blessings. Talk to me. Man, shout out to all of you all that shared your churches and your pastors, and thank y'all for calling every week. Don't worry, if you couldn't get in this week, we'll be back next week with it, so don't forget. In fact, you can also share your church online right now, but let's post it.
PHUT.org for schedule, details, and to see what we got going on.
Turn this music down. Okay guys, I'm back. The hair is done. I got a good wash. I got a retwist here. It's still a little damp, so I just put it in a very loose ponytail. We will see what it looks like when it finishes drying. But now I'm gonna go to the grocery store to get a few things because I'm gonna make some chicken noodle soup. So you guys can come with me for the rest of the day. I'm still gonna do my eyebrows. As you can see, they're looking pretty wild right now. And then I'm gonna do my lashes. And yeah, see y'all at the store. I'm home. I just came from the grocery store. I bought quite a bit. So I'm just gonna cook, and that's gonna be my Sunday evening, just getting ready for the week. You like it, boo? Hi guys, it is the end of the night. It's like 9, almost 10 o'clock right now. And I just finished cooking, taking a shower, doing all of the things. If I didn't say it before, it's Sunday, so I'm in the process of like getting ready for work and stuff, and like just getting ready for the work week. I wanted to just come on here and like take a final or real look at my hair. I haven't had a chance to just sit down and like look at my hair and see what it's giving. So I just kind of wanted to take this off and show you guys my hair, and give you my final thoughts on what I think about my retwist at a salon. So it's getting so long. Oh my gosh. Here it is. It's good. I'm fucking with it. I'm taking it. Yeah, it's done. All in all, I would definitely go to the lady that did my hair and get it done again, because she was really quick, like under 2 hours for a wash and retwist. So yeah, I would do it again. This is hair. I'm about to do my eyebrows like I told you guys earlier. I bought these tweezers today from Five Below, so I'm gonna use these. I already have tweezers, but I saw these and they were cute, so I bought them and I'm about to use them. I'm also going to be doing my lashes really quickly. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Oh wait, if you haven't followed me, follow me on Instagram at TayJanelle_. That's my loc lifestyle page. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, okay?